We are taking a look at Wisconsin's first Tesla, I can't say dealership or showroom because technically Tesla can't sell in Wisconsin, but this is Tesla's first service center in the state of Wisconsin. So we're going to take a look here. This was formerly a BMW motorcycle shop and dealership. And there is a lot of utility markers and whatnot, lines going in. The asphalt was just redone. So let's take a look inside. Unfortunately, you can't go inside, but there's room. We're going to get a lot of reflection here. There's room for one. Oh, that is the same tile flooring that Tesla has in Highland Park, I do believe. Let's see if we can go on this side, less bright. Little entryway there. A little hard, definitely hard to see inside. Let's do this. So we got room for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 vehicles in the front showroom here. Take a walk down the side here. They do have a truck dock for unloading stuff. Oh, these windows are blacked out. Cannot see through there at all. Let's go back here. Service and reception. Lots of foot traffic, and mind you, it just snowed last night, so it looks like people have been here today. Can kind of see inside. So back here, there is a room on the other side. Is that door open? I do believe there's a door open. Pretty large service area, at least for motorcycles. You could probably fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cars in here. I am sorry, but this is the best view we can get through a window. There's just a small door going to the mechanics area. However, that is not big enough for a car. Let's take a walk around to the back. It's right next to air gas, so that'd be convenient when I gotta pick up my welding cylinders. Lots of footprints in the snow, and we just got a dusting of snow yesterday, so someone was definitely here today. And given that it looked like there was a door open on the other side, I'll walk around that way. Here we go. Oh, power company's here, or Peeper Power. How about I take this out of my tripod or my gimbal, and we do that. There we go. Zoom. Let's see what we got over there. Acoustic tiling for ceilings. Hand washing bay. Go around to the back. If Tesla ever can sell in Wisconsin, if the law ever gets changed, there's a decent amount of space back here for cars. Now, personally, I thought a better location would have been at the Southridge Mall parking lot at the old Sears Auto Center, which is actually considerably larger than this building. Well, maybe not considerably, about 3,000, 4,000 square feet larger. And it's got over 20 bay garage doors already, and already set up as a full-fledged car shop. I think the biggest thing this location has going against it is going to be the location. The location is terrible. It's borderline with not the best area in Milwaukee County. Oh, there is someone working there. Electrical. Cool. So there are people working here. Maybe I'll go have a chat with him, but not on camera. Don't want to spook the guy. They got their work truck inside. Smart. Why leave it outside, right? So let's go see if we can take another better look inside again. I will talk to the guy, and if there's anything to report, I will, of course, let you guys all know. But this is pretty cool. So this is going to be the first service center in actual physical Tesla present location in Wisconsin. The second one's going to be in Madison, Wisconsin. Now, Madison was supposed to be opening up first, but as far as I know, they are doing some sort of planning, but nothing too much further than that. Who knows? Okay, let's get a look through the window here. Yeah, not too bad. Those were definitely acoustic tiles in the mechanic area. Gosh, it's cold out. Missing a lot of them. There's my car. Definitely will be going to Chicago, but still not quite the best area. So pretty big. You can see on the left there that entryway going to the service area. The doors are definitely big enough to fit a model. No, maybe not. Might not be able to get cars out this door. Then again, they might. Oh well. And here we go. Awesome. Oh, right next to John Deere. So I did manage to talk to an employee working on the building. I'm not going to name who they work for, as it is a contractor, or what they're doing, blah, blah, blah. Or maybe it wasn't a contractor. Don't want anybody getting into trouble. But there is some awesome news. There will be Superchargers. There will be one Supercharger in the service bay. There will be a Supercharger in the back lot for service repair. The back private lot where they can park customer cars. And then there will be, now he wasn't sure if they're going to be Superchargers or maybe high-powered wall chargers, but given the size of the transformer that was there, I'm hoping it's going to be Superchargers. But there is supposed to be 13 public available chargers in the front. Because remember, at least for now, this is a service center. They're not a sales center, so why not make use of the property as best as they can now, and in the future, if they need to, they can always change things. Now, given that it's a service center, they cannot sell, but they can display. So there is, and I got to take a little peek around, there is room for a good, I mean, without, too much space for sitting and waiting, there is room for about 7 vehicles in the showroom. Or you could do 3, maybe 4 pretty easily, and then have a nice waiting area for customers waiting to pick up vehicles or who knows what for the time being. Overall, I would liken the size, the interior size of this location to that of the original Fremont factory location before they had to restructure the factory for actually making vehicles. So service, it's going to be pretty decent. There's going to be a lot of overhead wasted space because the ceiling in the service area is extremely high. Maybe they'll, like I said, don't really need to worry about storage too much since they do have a gated back lot. But this is going to be awesome. The rough estimated completion date, if they go balls to the wall, we might see a end of the year, early 2020 opening. Otherwise, more likely, we're looking at, if everything goes smoothly, maybe February. At least that's the current projection. That could change depending on a whole bunch of factors. But the way it looks and the way that electrical in that place is getting done, all I can say is holy F. In terms of electricity supply, that place is lit. Gotta get my backup camera. Whee! Yeah, there we go. There we go. Picking up midgets from school now. And now, it will be nice not having to drive to Illinois anymore. I don't know which is going to end up opening first, either Madison or Wisconsin. They're both on the books. We already know Wisconsin, and it is locked in and guaranteed. Tesla is locked in to this location. So at the moment, unless something major happens, this is it. We're finally getting a service center in Wisconsin. And it's been 7 years. Yeah. 2012, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 7 years, and we're going on 8 years since the release of the Model S. And we're finally getting our service center. So this is spectacular. It is on the complete opposite side of Milwaukee County that I live on. Literally the complete opposite corner. But it's not far enough away where I can't do periodic checks. So that's what I will be doing every week, at least, maybe multiple times a week, especially if the wife decides she wants to go shopping at Mayfair Mall. We will be I will be driving over there and checking out the progress. Looks like the flooring's already done in the showroom. It looks exactly the same flooring as Highland Park, but more to come. Maybe I can arrange for a little tour once a little more is done. So that's what I have for you today, but be excited, folks. Be very excited. And a special note to you, Wisconsin folks. It would be kind if you don't stop in the lot, go walking around too much. Try and, leave them alone, let them do their jobs. They're more than happy to have me come, and check things out and report back to you all, but we don't want to swamp them. And if you see employees, leave them alone. They don't want to get swamped with, 100 people, 200 people checking in, seeing everything's done. Let them get done. So they want to try and keep it concise and have a few people report back to the rest of the community, and that's exactly what I'll be doing. So exciting. Now all it needs is a nice Chinese buffet nearby.